Hello viewer, thank you for tuning in again. I'm gonna install the lift on these lift kits on the rear. So you notice how it sinks down. All the dead weight is just too heavy. I had a 2-inch lift in the front, so I'm gonna do a 2-inch lift in the back to compensate for that weight distribution. So stay tuned. I just received this 2-inch rear lift kit from Amazon. So I'm gonna install it. The first thing that you do, you need to jack up the spring and also the rear axle. I got 2 jack with me, so let me just for safety I just put another jack stand underneath the axle, and then I just basically use the jack, hydraulic jack, to jack up that so I could get that 2-inch spacing. So I gotta install these. I don't know, see, it's not enough still, so that's gonna go underneath that other this piece here, and then the other hole gonna go on top of that, so it stay kind of hold in place. Got a little bit of issue with the clear height here. My jack, the hydraulic jack I use, the 3-ton, it go to a certain height. I'm not sure. This is probably 24 inches, but I still have issue. I don't have enough clear to install this 2-inch block. So it look like I need maybe an additional inches to be able to, in order for me to have that clear height to install the block. You see how the block sitting underneath that spring right now. I'm gonna put these piece on both sides just to hold it temporary. Look like I'm going to have to use sit that temporary. I'm going to have to use this metal spacer on top of the hydraulic just to give it an extra inch, so I can install that. Stay tuned. So I installed the metal piece on top of the jack to give it the clear height, so now I'll be able to install that block. So I'm gonna lower it down, just put the screw back on, that's it. So that's how it look. Just had it. He's gonna go back up here. Go back. There we go. Just like that, okay? And then just looking at it from the other side, opposite side, same bracket, a different bracket actually. It's gonna go here. Okay, maybe not. Okay, there we go. Just angle it, kind of slide in. There we go. Okay. So just make sure it sit on that. There's a mess fit here. I kind of hold that in place. Same thing on the other side. Take a look at this. So that I'm gonna use that other piece there, a plate that gonna go underneath it to hold in place. So there's a plate. So basically gonna go back at this spot here. I want to make sure that this thing sit properly there. So when you drop these supposed to sit on these blocks. So lock it in place. So I got the bowl all, the nuts and bolts all tight up, the bracket installed as such. And now I need to put back this shock into place. Finally got that thrust shock back in place. You gotta force, you have to use a elbow crease to force this in place. Now just do, that's it. And just basically tighten up the screw. And then you do the same thing to the other side. Good luck. Well, just install the 2-inch lift at the rear wheels. So truck look way better, right? So it's more balanced now. The front and the back wheel is even level, I guess. So good luck if you try to install that. Hopefully it helped. Thank you.